Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the AA Wireless Android Auto Adapter. Now if you don't know what that is, it essentially takes your wired connection and turns it into a wireless connection. I know, at least from personal experience, I got tired of every time I get in the car, got to plug it in and out, in and out. It's annoying. It wrecks the battery on your phone. And in the year 2022, you'd think we have a better solution, but we don't. So I hopped on Google, gave it the old jazz hands routine, and found a little Indiegogo campaign out of, I believe, the Netherlands. So, like I said, it's a little dongle, super small, that you plug in to the same spot you'd plug the USB cable into. Quick background on the actual product. Like I said, it's going to be on Indiegogo. I believe the campaign's actually been running for over a year now. So at least there's a little bit of history with the company, doing updates and stuff on it as people have problems, which is nice. They're really good about communication. Within the month or so that I had to wait for it, they gave a bunch of updates so everyone knew what was going on. Price-wise, you're looking at about $100 shipped. And what you're actually getting for that, you're getting the cord and then the little dongle. Instructions wise, they give you a little QR code, but we're going to be going over that in the video, so even better. So like I said, there is a QR code on the back. The QR code is going to send you to the Play Store to download the AA Wireless app. Now you don't need to keep the app on your phone long term, but at least for setting it up and doing any updates, you're going to need the app. So along with that, when you first log in, it'll ask you, do you want to do this as a guest or sign in with your email? If you do it with the email, then they can contact you if there is an update or stuff like that. So a little helpful to do, but you don't have to, and you also don't have to keep the app on your phone. Settings taken care of. It's going to tell you to power the car on, then plug the wire and the dongle in, and then it's going to start searching. This blue light is actually going to start off green and flashing while it searches for your phone, and the head unit makes everything happy. Eventually, once everything's connected the right way, this is going to turn blue, and you should be able to, without being connected, Android Auto on your head unit, no problems. So at this point, everything should be connected, everything should be working fine. The few times I've already used it, within 5 or 10 seconds of the car turning on, usually about the time it takes me to put my seatbelt on, everything's already powered on and connected. So that's good to see. A few things about the app and the app settings. First off, if your USB port is always powered on, meaning if it's on whether the car's turned on or not, there's something in the settings to enable so it doesn't mess with the battery. That's good to take a look at. Second, if you don't want the audio from your phone playing through the speakers, say if you're looking at TikTok or Instagram and you don't want that playing over the speakers, there's a setting to disable audio sync, so it'll only play the audio that's on the head unit, meaning like music or directions. That's good to take a look at. There's a few other things, personal preference stuff to take a look at on the app. I know you said you don't need to keep it, but it is somewhat useful after all, so just take a look at that. Other than that, any questions, drop them in the comments. If this video helped, drop a like. Other than that, thanks for watching.